Hey everybody, Daniel here. Welcome back to Apologetics 101. We're dealing with the question, is there evidence for the Christian faith? And beginning with last week, we started looking at, is there evidence for God or is he just delusion? And so today, we're asking the question, is the universe designed or is it not? Is the universe designed or is it not? And I'm going to give us three evidences that I believe point to the reality that the universe is designed. The first evidence is the building blocks of the universe. The building blocks of the universe. What I mean by that, in order for the universe and life to exist, there needs to be these specific building blocks. And they are the strong nuclear force, the weak nuclear force, the electromagnetic force, and gravity. And not only they didn't just need to exist, they need to be precisely fine-tuned to a degree, and if they were any bit different, life would not exist. Let me give you just one example. If the ratio between the mass of protons and the mass of electrons varied just by 1 in 10 to the 37th, that's a huge number, the universe could not exist. The universe could not exist. Now, Paul Davies, who's a physicist, he says this: it seems as though someone has fine-tuned nature's numbers. The impression of design is overwhelming. An atheist astronomer, Fred Hoyle, says a super intellect has monkeyed with the physics, as well as the chemistry and biology. There has been discovered over 122 and more constants that need to be exactly fine-tuned to the specific degree that they are in order for life to exist. So we see the building blocks are fine-tuned for life. Next, second, we see our galaxy. All right, the shape of our galaxy, the size of our galaxy. Was any larger or smaller, life wouldn't exist. The makeup of our galaxy, the location of our galaxy. Our galaxy is located in what's called the galactic habitable zone, and if it was any different place by slightly, life would not exist. So the second, our galaxy, we see the size, shape, makeup, location are all fine-tuned for life. All right, if it's any different, life would not exist. And the third thing is our planet Earth. Our planet Earth is set perfectly in the right distance from the sun for life to exist. It's in what is called the Goldilocks zone, which if it is any closer or farther from the sun, we either burn or melt. So it's set at the exact spot it needs to be for life to exist. Not only that, it's in the exact distance from other planets such as Jupiter and Saturn. And Jupiter and Saturn are more of a shield that protect the Earth from oncoming asteroids so we're not destroyed. Not only that, the Earth is in perfect relation to the moon, which keeps it tilted just the right way, rotated in just the right way, at the right speed. All this to say, the Earth is exactly where it needs to be in relation to the sun, other planets, and the moon, and it's fine-tuned to exactly that. And if it's any different, life would not exist. And so we see these three evidences: the building blocks, our galaxy, and the Earth are precisely fine-tuned for life to exist. Now you need to ask, why are they fine-tuned? Why are they this way? Why are they this way? And there's three ways that people try to propose and answer this. The first is that it needed to be this way. It needed to be this way. But really, it didn't need to be this way. There's tons of galaxies where it's not this way and life does not exist. So that is not true. It didn't need to be this way. All right. The second is chance. It just happened to be this way. Just happened to be this way. But the odds are not in the favor of our galaxy being the way it is. All right. If you want to know more about the probability, look up this guy named William Dembski, who's done a lot of work on this. But what I'm going to say is that the odds are not in the favor. The odds are not in the favor. And the third, which I believe is true, is that it is designed. That it is designed. We see all the features we looked at are so well fine-tuned to an extreme degree that necessity and chance cannot answer that. The only thing that answers that is that it was designed. And if it was designed, there needs to be a designer. And so what we've seen from last week and this week is that there is someone outside the universe that has created the universe, not only created the universe, but has fine-tuned it for life. And if it's fine-tuned, it is designed. And if it's designed, there's a designer. Right, hope to see you guys next week. You guys have a good week.